Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money, they smell good, they're usually on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Al Haramain. Yeah, I say house, not brand, because it is a house, true house, because they do everything from very raw material to the final product themselves inside the company. And that's why it's a house, and it's a niche house because they only make perfumes. So Al Haramain have been around for more than 50 years. They are one of the biggest, if not the biggest, perfume house from United Arab Emirates. And you know me, I am a big fan of their products, their perfumes. I've been reviewing and unboxing and reviewing their fragrances for almost 7-8 years. And even before that, I had some Al Haramain myself, I bought myself. This one in particular just been sent to me to review. This one is a newest release. It is so new, there's nothing about it, there's no literature. You can't find it anywhere yet, so I'm expecting it to be available in the next few days and weeks. And this one is Al Haramain Amber Oud, and this one is private edition. So this is a special edition of the line of Amber Oud line. There are around 6 or 7 Amber Oud line. For example, there's a platinum, there's a blue, there's a rouge, and so on and so forth. There's a gold. So this one is the latest one, and it's called Private Edition. It looks very inviting. It looks very quite on the dark side, obviously, and it's a rose gold trimming with completely black, which is very attractive. But before I do this unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, you know what to do with those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your motivation will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Please like, subscribe, share this video, comment. All these things will help this channel, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much for your help, and let's go. So, beautiful box as always. Al Haramain does everything to perfection. By the way, this is still not available, as I said, but the conversion between the dirham, the United Arab Emirates dirham, to pounds will be around 80 to 90 pounds in terms of retail. Obviously when it gets here you have to check it yourself and see if exactly how much it is, but roughly it translates to that much, so around 80 to 90 pounds. And this one is a 60 ml. Sorry about the noise. This is a 60 ml, and I think is either a parfum or eau de parfum, I'm not sure 100%. Anyway, so beautiful box. Attention to detail is always amazing. And look at this, same as other Amber Oud line, but this one is black, very attractive. And in the back it is see-through. The color of the juice is almost gold. Very thick cardboard, very beautiful presentation as always. I think it's plastic anyway, but it feels good in the hand. And look at the bottle. The bottle is gorgeous. As I said, 60 ml, very heavy bottle. The cap is super heavy, and the atomizer is black. Here we go. Beautiful atomizer as always. Al Haramain atomizers are very good quality. Okay, so this one is Amber Oud Private Edition. I think I'm the first one to review or to give the impression on the whole internet, or at least on YouTube. Here we go. First impression. Holy moly. Fruits and more fruits. very fruity, very thick, very dense, very sweet. So they, at least for first impression, first sniff, very sweet and very fruity. I can smell lots of um, citrus, so very thick on the citrus. I can smell bergamot. I can smell something like a lime, like a lemon. Very citrusy right now. Very fruity. So the fruits, I'm smelling melon, I'm smelling watermelon, I'm smelling a little bit of pineapple. So it's very tropical smell. Yeah, very tropical. So I'm smelling tropical fruit like pineapple, like coconut. I'm smelling definitely some juicy coconutty, pineapple-y, maybe even apple in here. It's quite green as well, and watermelon and melon. It's a woody backbone to it, so it's quite woody, but there's no wood in here. The wood is very clean. I'm expecting it to be something like a cedar, so it's very clean wood. It's quite musky, but the musk is very clean as well. It gives it that freshness, a little bit of depth to it. A little bit on the ambery side of things, but the amber here, as he says, amber oud, again, it's not a huge dense amber, but it is there and you can feel it, and it's sweet and it's quite gooey and it's quite sticky. It's a quite sticky, gooey, sweet amber. Definitely a little bit of spice to it, spice kick to it, and also I can smell something little bit of incensey feel to it as well, tiny bit, not much, just a little bit of spice and incense to give it a more interesting facet, the more interesting angle, just not just fruits and sweetness. So these things just giving it more facet, more angle, and also a little bit of more interesting smell to it. Definitely I smell vanilla, and the vanilla in here is very well done. It's very smooth, it's very warm, it's very quite sweet, but it's not overpowering everything else. It's just in the base, lifting everything up and rounding everything up together, making it very rounded, very smooth, very balanced. This is top quality work. Well done, Al Haramain. As I said, I'm a big fan of Al Haramain fragrances. Anyway, I'm a little bit on the bias side because I love their works, I love their perfumes. Each time I bought one, I just was very happy and mesmerized by the quality, especially the ratio for what I pay and what I get is always top notch. And here is no exception. I'm smelling something much more expensive, easily 100 plus, easily 150 plus in terms of smell. It's very niche like, it's very high quality ingredients. I can't smell anything synthetic, I can't smell anything harsh, anything out of place, anything synthetic. Obviously there are going to be some synthetic elements in here, because without synthetic elements it won't have that strength and the longevity. But it's a good balance between the naturals and the synthetics here, making it very palatable, smell very nice, and it's very natural smelling, or at least the impression of natural smelling anyway. Yeah, but it's big on the tropical fruits. So you need to like your tropical fruits: pineapple, coconut, melon, apple. What else? I can smell maybe even mango in here. So it's very juicy mango, or something juicy, something tropical and juicy. Maybe even peach, because it's very juicy. It's like you having a bite of one juicy fruit, and basically that juice is running. It's so delicious. It's very delicious. It's very gourmand. Definitely you need to like your gourmand to like this. But first impression, yes, I'm loving it. This is absolutely top notch. By the way, it's complete unisex, no gender to it. Woman and men can wear it. It's bang in the middle. There's nothing in here to give it, you know, uber masculine or uber feminine feel. It's right in the middle. In terms of the occasion, definitely upper higher tier, so it is opulent, it is going out, it is evening, it is formal occasions and things like that. Obviously these are recommendation, you can use it anywhere anytime you want, but these are recommendation. In terms of season, this is all year rounder. Warmer weather, cooler weather, you can rock it no problem. In warmer weather, less spray. In cooler weather, more sprays. But at the moment, it's feeling the room, it's feeling the house. So I'm expecting it to be very long lasting and very strong. So you don't need that many sprays of it. Smells or feels like perfume. It doesn't feel like eau de perfume because I can tell that the density of the material is very high in here. So I'm expecting it to be perfume, or at least maybe extract the perfume. Very good. First impression, yes, I'm loving it, highly recommend it. I will let you know in the next video the longevity, development and things like that, but for first impression, yes, I am loving it. Okay guys, thank you very much and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, comment, share this video. These things will help the channel and I appreciate it very much. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I have 17 perfume in my lineup. The line is called the scent of Persia. They are out of this world, ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, super artistic, 100% natural, but you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the links as well. Thank you very much and I'll see you later. Bye.